From SparkPulse this week, marketing went agent native. And here's the marketing leaderboard this week. HighLevel out front, AccuRanker right behind, Kit charging up the chart. First up, HighLevel takes the leader slot. A packed week from HighLevel, one theme ties it together. Company fields go first class across the entire product. Drop any company attribute into emails, workflows, contracts, AI context. Email setup gets a one-click AI fixer for broken syntax. Every store image gets auto-generated alt text accessible by default. Smart lists for companies, math ops baked into workflows. Community recordings post as shareable updates. Embedded forms get sizing controls. The company object now sits as a peer to contact. Second slot, AccuRanker, with one acronym in the headline, MCP. SEO data now flows into ChatGPT and Claude directly. Ask plain language questions, get answers grounded in your own account. Connect the account, then ask anything. Rankings, share of voice, traffic value all on tap. Tag Cloud gets supercharged bulk actions, cross-domain sharing. Prompt importing in AccuLLM, plus a redesigned integrations page. Read-only, permission-aware. Your SEO assistant just got a brain. Third position, Kit, riding the same MCP wave. Kit MCP rolls into public beta this week. 2 tools, 2 tabs, that gap finally closes. Connect Claude or ChatGPT, and your email list joins the conversation. Ask how a broadcast performed, get the open rate in plain English. Then take action, tag everyone who clicked in the same chat. Not just analytics, read and write the real differentiator. Tags, broadcasts, sequences all drivable from your assistant. Live on every paid Kit plan starting today. Saleshandy steps up next and skips the integration tax. Custom workflows arrive fully native, no glue tools required. No Zapier, no make, no more stitching. Every trigger now fires a real action chain inside Saleshandy. And/or branching paths, full conditional logic in one canvas. Native capabilities lined up end to end, zero glue code. Plug straight into HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, or Zoho. On the Outreach Pro plan and above, starting now. Rounding out the leaders, LaunchNotes. Meet Smart Draft, one drafting flow for every announcement. Used to be every input made a different draft. Now they converge, one consistent voice every time. Drop in a Jira ticket, a Loom, a PRD, a rough prompt. Your configured tone and voice runs over every single output. Also recent tables in editor, draft from Jira, live collaboration. The release notes stack just got considerably sharper. Now for a wildcard, Privy joins the cut. Smarter reviews, stronger flows, that's the pitch this month. Judge Me lands as a native integration. Reviews trigger flows the moment they are created or updated. Branch by rating, verified buyer, or attached photos and video. Best-selling and most viewed blocks fill themselves into flow emails. A new switch keeps the product grid from collapsing on mobile. Tag changes can start, branch, or stop any flow. And send a real test SMS to your own phone first. Our other wildcard Mailshake takes the stage. Their essential guide to cold email white labeling lands this week. The play, agencies sell outreach as their own product. Your brand on top, a proven engine underneath. Launch a branded outreach product in weeks, not quarters. Custom domain, custom UI clients see you, never Mailshake. Dedicated sending infrastructure with deliverability handled per client. From sign up to live in days, not months. The full guide goes live at mailshake.com. All week, one through line your stack learns to listen. That's your marketing pulse for the week. Spark Pulse, hit subscribe. We'll see you next Pulse.